Alright guys, what we got here today is the Meguiars Ultimate Leather Balm. It's supposed to clean, condition, and protect the leather all in one step. Looks like kind of like a paste wax with this applicator pad on it. This is a leather seat we're dealing with. It's kind of a beige interior. I recently repaired this area with Seat Doctor's leather dye. Got a video out on that. So here we go. I guess we're just gonna take some of it and rub it on. So after I rubbed it on a little bit with this and then buffed it with a microfiber towel, I began to notice some of these that I didn't see before. I saw it on here, that's why I repaired it. But I guess this has been repaired before, and the little cleaners on that leather balm kind of took off the color, which is good, so that I know which ones to touch up again. So it did clean it. What it looks like. So the cleaners are quite strong for an all-in-one, and it looks pretty good to me. I just need to touch up that area. I didn't see that before. That didn't show up until I wiped it on. Alright guys, that's it. 2-minute video. Bye.